Imagine waking up one day to discover that you possess an extraordinary power. The power to change your life and the world around you with nothing but your words. It sounds like something out of a fantasy, doesn't it? Yet, what if I told you that this isn't just make-believe, but a profound truth rooted in the very essence of our everyday interactions? Words are not merely tools for communication. They are potent spells that can create, transform, and even heal. Every time you speak, you're casting these spells, intentionally or not. So, I ask you, have you ever considered that every word you speak might be a spell? Join me as we explore the magical power of words and learn how to harness this power to craft a reality that resonates with the life you aspire to lead. Word spells are more than just phrases tossed around in casual dialogue. They are expressions loaded with the power to alter our perception, shape our reality, and impact our interactions. Unlike regular speech, which often flows without intent, word spells are crafted with purpose. They are the chosen words that, when spoken, resonate deeply, triggering emotions and actions, much like how a well-cast spell would in a tale of magic. Consider the simple phrase, "I believe in you." When said with genuine conviction, these words can uplift someone, bolster their confidence, and ignite a passion within them to strive harder. Or take the phrase, "You can do this." At the right moment, these words can dissolve fears and convert doubt into determination. Each example showcases how our language carries weight and, when used thoughtfully, functions as a tool for positive change in everyday interactions. The power of words extends far beyond simple communication. It looks into our psychological and neurological processes. Scientific studies have repeatedly shown that the words we hear and speak can significantly affect our brain's wiring. Positive words can stimulate areas of the brain that help us feel confident and capable, while negative words can release stress hormones like cortisol, influencing our mood and decision-making processes. This is not just about feeling good or bad. It's about how words can sculpt our thoughts, behaviors, and ultimately, our destinies. Historically, many cultures have recognized the profound impact of words. Ancient civilizations didn't just use words for everyday communication, they considered them sacred. In many traditions, spoken words were thought to have magical properties, capable of bringing blessings, cursing enemies, or invoking divine powers. This reverence for the power of language shows us that understanding the impact of our words is not just a modern concept, but a timeless wisdom that has shaped human interactions across centuries. As we learn more about the science behind words, we can see that this ancient belief in the magic of language was not just superstition. It was an early recognition of their true potential to influence the world around us. Words hold incredible power, and some phrases act like keys, unlocking emotions and reactions within us all. Phrases such as, "You matter," "I appreciate you," and "Your presence is important" carry a significant emotional weight. These expressions can transform a moment, uplift spirits, and alter the course of conversations, steering them towards positivity and mutual respect. To truly understand the impact of these words, let's engage in a simple exercise. Think of someone important in your life and send them a message right now with one of these phrases. Watch how quickly their mood lifts, how their day changes, or how their perspective shifts with just a few words from you. This practice isn't just about seeing the effect words have on others. It's about realizing the role we can play in shaping our interactions and relationships through the conscious use of powerful, positive communication. The changes that word spells can bring about in our lives are both profound and tangible. By consciously using specific words, you can alter the atmosphere in a room, turn conflicts into collaborations, and inspire yourself and others to act and think positively. But what does this look like in everyday life? It means that through your words, you can foster a more supportive home environment, enhance your workplace dynamics, and deepen your relationships. To illustrate, Consider the story of Anna, a manager who shifted her team's culture by changing her language. She replaced phrases like, "You need to fix this," with, "Let's solve this together." This small adjustment led to improved teamwork, increased morale, and higher productivity as her team felt more valued and included. Similarly, Mark, a father, started using words of affirmation with his children, such as, "I love how you handled that situation." Over time, he noticed his children becoming more confident and open in sharing their challenges and achievements. These stories show that the benefits of using word spells are not just immediate, but also cumulative, building a foundation of positive interactions that can lead to lasting personal and professional growth. By adjusting our words, we're not just changing the narrative of our day, we're reshaping our reality. When we talk about the magic of words, are we speaking of actual spells cast in a mystical sense? Or are we referring to the undeniable influence and persuasive power that words hold? This distinction is crucial as it shapes how we understand and use language in our daily lives. While it's tempting to romanticize the idea of words as magical incantations that can bend reality, the real magic lies in their capacity to influence thoughts, emotions, and actions. Think about how words have played a role in your own life. Have there been moments when someone's words seemed to magically lift you from despair, or motivate you to achieve something you thought was beyond your reach? Or consider times when your words have had a profound effect on others, perhaps without you even realizing the impact at the moment. Reflect on these experiences and consider how your perception of words, whether as tools of mystique or instruments of influence, shapes the way you communicate and interact with the world. This reflection is not just an intellectual exercise. It's a way to understand and harness the power you hold every time you speak or write. Harnessing the power of word spells doesn't require elaborate rituals or extensive preparations. It can be as simple as choosing your words with care and intention. Let's explore some straightforward techniques that can bring about immediate and noticeable changes in your interactions. First, practice the technique of positive framing. For instance, instead of saying, "Don't forget your appointment," you might say, "Remember your appointment." This subtle shift from a negative to a positive frame can encourage cooperation and a more optimistic outlook. Another quick method involves using specific affirmative language in your daily interactions. Phrases like, "I understand," "I appreciate," and "I respect" can significantly alter the dynamics of a conversation, fostering an environment of trust and mutual respect. These techniques work quickly because they directly impact the listener's emotional state and cognitive responses. By employing affirming and positive language, you can create a ripple effect of positivity. People naturally respond to affirmation with openness and engagement, often without even realizing why they feel more connected and proactive. Start implementing these simple changes today, and you might be surprised at how quickly the atmosphere around you begins to shift. Whether in personal relationships, professional settings, or casual encounters, the immediate effects of these word spells can be both powerful and uplifting. While the power of words can be a force for tremendous good, it is important to approach this power with a sense of responsibility and ethical consideration. Words, when misused, have the potential to harm as much as they can heal. Misleading others with deceptive language, manipulating emotions for selfish gains, or using harsh words can have lasting negative impacts on the individuals involved and the broader community. It is crucial, then, to use word spells with the right intention. Always consider the implications of what you say and how it affects others. Are your words used to uplift and empower? Or could they possibly mislead or harm? Remember, the integrity of your words not only influences the well-being of others, but also reflects back on your own character and the trust others place in you. Thus, practicing responsible usage of words means being aware of both the immediate and long-term effects they may have. By ensuring that our words align with our true intentions and ethical standards, we contribute to a more honest, supportive, and compassionate community. This commitment to ethical communication is essential for anyone looking to harness the true power of words in a positive and impactful way. The beautiful truth about the power of word spells is that it is not confined to any specific group. It is a tool accessible to everyone, from every walk of life. Whether you are a student, a professional, a parent, or a friend, the words you choose in your daily interactions hold immense potential to influence and inspire. For those looking to integrate these practices into their daily routines, start simple. Begin by being more mindful of the words you use in everyday conversations. Ask yourself if your words uplift and encourage, or if they might inadvertently discourage. For instance, shift from saying things like, "This is too difficult," to, "This is challenging, but we can manage it." Such adjustments, though small, can significantly change the tone and outcome of your interactions. Additionally, make it a habit to offer genuine compliments and expressions of gratitude daily. These positive affirmations are powerful word spells that enhance connections and boost the morale of those around you. By actively choosing words that promote positivity and understanding, you will find that not only do your relationships improve, but your overall outlook on life will too. This practice is something everyone can do. It transcends age, profession, and culture, proving that the magic of words is truly universal. As we've explored today, words carry an extraordinary power to transform, inspire, and lead change, not only within ourselves, but also in the world around us. The way we choose to use our words can build bridges, heal wounds, inspire action, and bring about tangible change. By understanding and harnessing this power, each of us holds the key to not only improving our own lives, but also making a profound impact on the lives of others. I encourage you now to take this knowledge and apply it consciously in your daily interactions. Begin to notice the words you use, make small adjustments, and observe the powerful effects these changes can bring. Let's all commit to using our words to create a more positive, understanding, and supportive world. If you found value in what we've shared today, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights on how you can transform your life through simple yet powerful changes. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread this important message. Together, let's continue to discover the magic of our words and the impact they can have on our world. Thank you for watching, and let's speak a better world into existence, one word at a time.